Learn to lead. We make winners who lead.
Hello students, greetings from Learn to Lead Academy. Congratulations to Satvika, Keshavan, Jeevithan and Manish Kumar, the toppers of MAT 2023 at Learn to Lead Academy. Satvika J achieved an impressive score of 766, followed by Keshavan M with 642, Jeevithan R with 640 and Manish Kumar with 638. Are you aiming to excel in MAT 2023-24? Enroll now for our online crash course designed to boost your preparation and maximize your chances of success. Don't miss out on the opportunity to join our September, December, Feb or May MAT 2024 batches. Start your journey towards achieving your dream score today. Enroll through the link provided in the description box, or you can contact directly 88700 46080. Book your slot now.
Learn to lead. We make winners who lead.
Hello students, greetings from Learn to Lead Academy. In this video, we are going to discuss September MAT 2023 question paper. There is few questions based on mathematical skills part that was asked in the recent September MAT 2023 questions. We are going to discuss and follow our series of video based on this topic. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and also share this video with all your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. We are going to share more videos based on September MAT 2023 question paper. Now, let us see the first question. How many 3-digit numbers can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which are divisible by 5, where repetition of digit is not allowed? See, this is a question based on permutation and combination. Okay, so here are going to form a 3-digit. Hundreds place, tens place, units place. See, in each column, you should fill the availability of the digits. Okay, under units place, the condition is already there given that it should be divisible by 5. If I take all the 5 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, if I can pick only one number 5 in this part. So there is only one option. Okay, now remaining how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 digits are there. Okay, in hundreds place and tens place, there is no restrictions. The given question is the digit should be divisible by 5. Okay, if your digit should be divisible by 5, the unit place should end with 0 or 5. Okay, so 4 digits are available, right? For tens place. If I place any one digit in the tens place, remaining 3 digits are available for hundreds place. So 3 4s are 12 is your answer. 3 4s are 12 is your answer. Okay, now let us see the next question. See, this is a question based on basic algebra. You should know the basic algebra concept. So, a minus b the whole square is nothing but a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is the basic algebra concept. So, this concept, if we apply here, we can get 9a square is nothing but 3a minus 1 the whole square. If you expand this 3a minus 1 the whole square, you will get 9a square minus 6a plus 1. Now I can cancel easily square and square root plus 4a. So 3a minus 1 plus 4a. So 7a minus 1. So 7 into a is what? 0.2087 minus 1. So what is 7 7s are? 49. Remainder 4. 56. 56 plus 4. 60. And then 14. So 1.4609 minus 1. So your answer is 0.4609. Okay, so there is no value for 0.4609. So none of these is my answer. Okay, next question. See here, this is a question based on allegation. The average marks obtained by the students of A, B, C, D are 60%. What is the class average? For A, B, C and D, 60%. The average marks of the students A, B and C, individual marks they have given. For A it is 45%, B 50%, C 72% and D 80%. Now they have given, see, if the average marks of the section A and B are 48%. Section A and B together 48%. And that of B and C together 60%. Okay, then what is the ratio of number of students in section A and D? So you should note that, see the clue here, under B and C, what is the average? 60. And total average is also 60. So if the total average should be 60, the A and B average should be 60. The average of A and B should be 60. Now, if we draw. Now the question is also based on number of students available in the section A and section D, right? So what is the average percentage? 60% is the average percentage for A and D. For A, 45% and for D, 80%. Now 20%, 15%. So 4:3 is your answer. Okay, I hope you got some idea based on the mathematical skills questions. So share this video with all your friends, and if you are looking for the best online math coaching, kindly contact 88700 46080. Okay, the new batch for MAT 2020, the upcoming December as well as Feb MAT 2023 exam. The new batch is to be started from September 25th. If you want to enroll for this batch, kindly enroll through the link provided in the description box. We have provided the link. All the best to us.
Learn to lead. We make winners who lead.
Hello students, greetings from Learn to Lead Academy. Congratulations to Satvika, Keshavan, Jeevithan and Manish Kumar, the toppers of MAT 2023 at Learn to Lead Academy. Satvika J achieved an impressive score of 766, followed by Keshavan M with 642, Jeevithan R with 640 and Manish Kumar with 638. Are you aiming to excel in MAT 2023-24? Enroll now for our online crash course designed to boost your preparation and maximize your chances of success. Don't miss out on the opportunity to join our September, December, Feb or May MAT 2024 batches. Start your journey towards achieving your dream score today. Enroll through the link provided in the description box, or you can contact directly 88700 46080. Book your slot now.
Learn to lead. We make winners who lead.